Even after 5 months into the ethnic clash triggered by Chin-Kuki terrorists, Meitei still can't return to their houses, which were luckily left out of arson by Kukis in Torbung area. Only people of 5 houses on the frontier side of Torbung village can visit their own houses. Village volunteer of Torbung Gram Panchayat, 𝐾𝐍'𝐶, told North Window News that other places in the area, including Torbung Bazar, Torbung Gobindpur, Torbung Bangla and Torbung 𝗦 still wore a deserted look. He said, people of Torbung Mamang can visit their houses only in daytime. He lamented that the native Meitei villagers still cannot return and stay at their village, where the 133 CRPF is providing first layer protections and the 16 Kumon regiment is providing second layer protections. When asked why they are still not allowed to settle there, the security personnel told the villagers that they haven't received approval from the authority, Risi said. Questioning what the CRPF and the BSF personnel sent to control the crisis doing in Churachandpur, he urged the government to deploy state force in Torbung area instead of the central forces and allow them to return to their homes.
Yum sigi tungda uriba yum amani adagi somda uriba yum amani asidagi yum manga mukti mi changaga leinare aduna tabida somge makha thambada leiriba koigi Torbung Gobindpur, Torbung Bazar, Torbung Bangla, Torbung 𝗦 haidiba mafam jide koi mi amata changma ngamje hoji pawba amata changba su yade ida ujariba Torbung sabalekai mamangi yum mai chaudaba khara lei ado mai chaudaba koigi leiba yaba yum singsida koina ayuk nungdin changjaba matamdadi leiriba army singna ayaba pibi tawbatabu koina nungdang lecture age yum jingje chaktabanina kaidabanina haiba matamdadi makoina madugi ayaba pibide makoina akoina hangjarubada makoina hairakpase asumna haibire akoigi mathaktagi approval laktabana maram oiraga akoina noi nungdang leandabani amadi nakoigi personal risk ki damak safety ki damak akoina noi leandabani haina sumaina pawdam bire aduna akoigi somda Torbung da changaga yum leiriba singsida leijage haibada yadribasi masigi approval se mathak thongba singna mungdang pibi duna akoiba mungdang changaga hanagi dumaina tangdu leitana thubo matamda lehanbiyo haina sarkar amadi concern department gi puning chingsinjari.